So just want to show you how to change a battery on the Nissan Juke key fob. So mine is 2016. Just gone out of battery. I couldn't open it, so the husband said it needs changing battery. So this one here, this, you can see that thingy, press it. Okay, let me turn it upside down. So that one there, you push it up. While pushing up, this one up, pull this out, this one thing, and there's the key there. Ta-da! So we're gonna try and open this to change a battery, the battery. You're gonna need this don't know what you call this, screwdriver. So just need to work out your way to open this. Ouch. So it open. You might be wondering why I'm doing this, because so you have to work your way in to open it slowly on the side. So because I dropped the kids off to school, and then as I was going back to the car, I couldn't open the car. So good job I'm in my running outfit, so I run back home, which I ran 20 minutes. So you really couldn't walk with the kids. You need to use a car. So I need the car back so that I can pick up the kids later, and husband is at work. So there you have it. How do we take this out now?